Okay, here we have this device that we're going to be able to recover in a very easy and simple way. In this video tutorial, we're going to use a fully updated method to recover our device. Well, in these methods, the adjustment option or anything like that is no longer working. We're going to use a different method. That option where we previously went to the Head Apps application is no longer working. We're not going to be able to enter there either, nor the Activity application. If you want to recover your device, well, I recommend that you watch this video tutorial step by step. It will guide you so you can solve it. What do we need first? Well, let's connect to a Wi-Fi network to start. The process of removing the account from these devices. Let's go connect to a Wi-Fi network. After we connect to the Wi-Fi network, we're going to take a tour of our phone so you can see that it's completely locked. Well, we connect, click Next. Here, we're going to wait for our phone to complete the process, so you can see that our phone has a screen lock also with the forgotten Gmail account. What are we going to do in this video tutorial? Well, we are not going to use the PC. It is a method completely without a PC. For those people who suddenly apply this method and it does not work for them, we will leave other additional methods. Personal in the description of the video and in the first fixed comment. Also for those people who find our method works for them and you like our videos, like this one, we would also like you to support us by subscribing to our channel, activating the bell, giving it a good like, leaving a good comment and sharing our video. I also want to tell you that here on YouTube we have the member community. For those people who want to join our channel so they could support us, well, we would like you to support us by subscribing to that community. I also want to tell you what the benefit is. Well, we will be answering those comments through the community. We are also going to publish the videos in advance from the community so that you can listen to the first ones. Well, that said, as we can see here, we will be able to find that screen lock for our phone. Finally, here we will be able to find the Google account, the Gmail account. Here we have all this. The Google account, the Gmail account. Here I want you to pay close attention. We are going to do a function here that will help us later. So what we are going to do is click here where it says Forget Gmail. Here that it takes us here to this section. We are going to write the following. We are going to wait for it to take us that the internet has gone down. We click Forget Gmail again. And it seems that our internet is a little slow. Well, we'll be doing that later. So what we're going to do is go back. We're going to go back. We're going to type here to see. We're going to hit Next to see what it gives us. Well, we're going to go back. Let's go back. We give it back. We give it back. We give it back. We're going to go here in politics. We're going to look for another option. We're going to click here where it says click. We go here. We're going to click. We're going to click on this profile that appears here. We click on it. Then what we're going to do is click on these 3 lines that appear here. We're going to click on those 3 lines. We click here where it says log in. Ready. Now we go up. Let's go here to Google. We're going to select Google, being here in Google. What we're going to do is click here where it says help. We give it help. This is where we're going to do the process. This is where it's going to give us the option to be able to recover our device. We're going to click here and click here. Click. We're going to wait until it S marked here, selected, sorry, when it's selected. We release it to make it slower. Ready. We're going to click here where it says share. Here we find share. We select Google Chrome. It seems that Google Chrome is not working. We go back, nothing. It is not working anymore. Let's look for another option here. We look for message. New message here. What we are going to do is write any number. It does not matter. We write. Here we delete all these numbers. We are going to delete. Here we are going to write www.youtube.com. But in some cases YouTube is already outdated. But do not worry, that I will give you the solution. What are you going to do? Let's click. Let's go to the side. In some cases we click here, up here. Here we click up here. As you can see, it gave me access. Here we'll see if it lets me go back. I'm going to give a single click back. It seems not. It seems that it took me to Google Chrome. We're going to activate the tab volume up, volume down at the same time too. Activate the tab while we're going. To press it, press volume up and volume down at the same time. We click here, we press it again. Now we're going to draw an L backwards. We're going to give an L backwards. A letter L backwards. Now we're going to deactivate. We're going to activate now. Deactivate. And we go to the toolbar, we click back. Back, and we're going. Deactivate. Activate. Save. We're going to give it here. We say no. Go back. I have gone back. We give it back. Here, ready. This is where we want. Is where we want to be, where the applications are. What is it? What happens if you get YouTube to be outdated? What you have to do is format your phone. Format it and come back again. Because in some cases it usually happens that sometimes we have time and we don't do the same process that I was doing. Well, if you get YouTube to be outdated, format it. And do the same process again, and 100% it will work for you. Once here, we are going to click on the 3 dots. We are going to click here where it says configuration. We are going to select the accessibility option. We enable this accessibility, then control. We click here where it says configuration or settings. We are going to click here where it says accessibility menu. We enable this menu. We already have the accessibility menu enabled. Well, now what we are going to do is go back to the side. Back, and here we are going to select this option that says About. We are going to click on it. It is already working for us, right? It is already working for us. Well, we go back. We click on it again so that it takes us to Google Chrome. It already has Google Chrome. If it doesn't take it, Google Chrome also show to see if it works this other way. Let's go back. To see if it works from here too, we click on the little camera. Take a photo. Click on attach. Click here. Click here on share, and we'll see if it gives us Google. Here search for image in Google. Now we click here on these three dots. We click here where it says privacy. Here we click on these dots that appear here. Then we select Google. Here we'll look for our official page. We'll look for our official device L page. We are in search like this. It is written from Visal. As you can see, they write like this. It ends in DL. Then our page will appear. You are going to click on it. It is called Android TV or David Cell. Then what you are going to do is click here, and you will be able to find many methods. Other methods also totally different you will be able to find here. You are going to select this option that says David CEL apps. You are going to select that option. Then you are going to find new methods here too. You are going to going down. You're going to go down. We're going to go down. We're going to go down here. In these entries we're going to find what this Google Maps is. It's going to take us directly to the function that we need. We're going to click here on jump. Now it's going to take you to this profile that appears here. You're going to click on that profile. Then you're going to click here on settings. Then you're going to click here on notifications. Click on notifications. Click on it again. Go back. Click here on location. You're going to click accept. Then you're going to click here on visibility settings. You're going to enable this function. You're going to click here where it says Google location settings. Then you're going to click here where it says all. Here plus show system. Select this Google service that appears here. Click on disable. It's disabled. Now what we're going to do is restart our phone. We are going to restart it here. We are going to wait for our phone to restart. We are almost finished. What is the account deletion process? That is why we always recommend watching the video tutorial step by step so that you do not miss any of these details. Now we wait for our phone to restart, and then we are going to complete the process of this. Account deletion. I also want to tell you that at the end of the video, when we recover our phone, we would have some errors. How do we correct those errors? Watching the video tutorial until the end. Well, we are going to click here, next. We click here, we click next. Here what we are going to do here. We go well, we are going to eliminate, we are going to delete. It we are going to forget it here, we forgot the we network, we click. Here on skip we click on forget the Wi-Fi network, we click here on skip now. The screen is going to freeze here, well that is what we wanted to be like this. Now that we do them again, we return them back. Now what we have to do is add the network again. We add the network, we stay here, we are not going to do more nothing. We're going to click here. We're going to click here where it says assistant. A little camera shouldn't appear here. I'm not seeing it. The little camera I'm looking for doesn't appear. We're going to click here. It appears. The little camera doesn't appear. Well, if that little camera doesn't appear, then what we're going to do is go back. We're going here in politics. We're not going to enter here where it says click, we're going to go down, we're going to click here the first option www.me.com. Enter here. We're going to click on this profile that appears here, these 3 lines. We click here on this little profile that appears here. We select Google here. Help. Here, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to click here on share. We're going to search for Gmail. We search for Gmail. We click here on skip. We click here on enable. Here we are going to enable Google services. They are already enabled. We go back. 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 We click forward. Now forward. Now we are going to forget the network again. We are going to forget that network. We click on forget. Ready. Now we will not remove any SIM card. If we have SIM card entered here, we are going to remove it, and now I am going to explain how we correct all the errors that we have left. We click skip. Skip. We go here on next. Next here we are going to wait to finish the recovery process of our phone. We are going to wait a few seconds, and so we are going to recover our device without having to use a PC. A method totally without a PC. That is why we always recommend watching the video tutorial step by step so that you do not miss any of these details. We wait a few more seconds. Let's wait. We are now in the last steps. Here we have this little arrow. We are going to click on the little arrow so we will be able to enter our phone. As we had told you, our phone always has some errors. How do we correct these errors? Well, let's go to what is adjustment. We are going to turn off the screen. Most of the time our screen gets stuck. It does not work correctly. As we can see, it does not work correctly, and you can hear. It does not work, so when we lower the notifications it does work. We give it the little nut here. To correct this error we go here. We go here about the phone. Then we go down. We give it here where it says reset. Here we are going to reset everything. We give it where it says factory reset. Here we are going to reset our phone. When our phone is completely reset, we would have a device free of any errors. Free from factory, what we have to configure it and use it normally. You know, subscribe, Activate the bell, like it, share it and leave a good comment.